Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are at Ostool Albon. Now here they have a specialty coffee. Everything looks perfect, and they have drip coffee drinks as well. So look at their coffee beans and their coffee grinders look really professional ones. So he suggested us to go for V60 because I was looking for some, for drip brew. And it is simple, clean, and accessible if you're going for this. If you're just getting into coffee, drip brewing is a great place to start. So I always recommend this to my friends. And this single cup brewing method is commonplace in coffee houses everywhere around the world. So it looks so delicate and sophisticated cup. And here he has started. So the water is already there in the kettle, hot water, and this kettle is called gooseneck kettle. So you see he has placed this filter, paper filter, and now he is pouring water, hot water. So he is gonna rinse the filter thoroughly. So the water goes into the cup or the jug there, and there he has a scale too. So a proper scale is always recommended because you have to have a proper amount of coffee and a proper amount of water there. So there goes the water, which was to rinse the filter. Now you see the coffee that was grinded right there. It's around 15 grams, and there it goes. And he will gently shake it to that the coffee, it's flat in there. So it's there on the scale. And now time is very important here. So he'll pour around 50 grams of water, and it must cover the whole coffee there in the filter. And then he'll wait for around 30 seconds, I guess, to pour another 50 gram of water. So you see, now after 30 seconds, pour in 100 grams. Sorry, so first was 50 and now comes 100 gram of water. And it should be done in proper concentric circles. So the water should go properly on the coffee, not on the filter, or not on the sides of the filter. Look at the smooth, rich cream there. And again, he'll wait for some time. So the total amount of water is around 250 grams, and this all should be done like in 90 seconds if they keep the perfect timer. So here goes another 50 gram and 50 gram. And they really move their hand well in proper circle. It looks professional. Yeah, this aroma is the best thing. Like I can just go anywhere for this. So here it is ready. Now the scale goes back and he'll keep this properly in a tray. This is ready for us. We can now have it. I love this place. It is always good to, be here. And they have really decorated the place well. It's kind of cozy and comfortable. So here it is. I can't wait to start. So I hope you enjoyed the making of V60 with us. All right, thank you for watching.